Performance Max is Google's ultimate AI-powered campaign type, designed to maximize your reach and drive results across the entire customer journey, all with minimal input. Think of it as handing Google all your assets and saying, build my funnel. And Google, with its advanced AI, does just that. From brand awareness to conversion, Performance Max harnesses Google's expansive network of placements to reach audiences at every stage of the funnel. Performance Max is an innovation that relies on Google's machine learning to create, optimize, and deliver ads across multiple channels and formats. When you provide Google with assets like text, images, and videos, Google's AI takes over, dynamically combining these elements and displaying them on the placements that maximize your objectives. This is full funnel advertising built by AI, optimized in real time and targeting the exact audiences who are most likely to convert. Performance Max does the heavy lifting, allowing advertisers to focus on strategy and goals rather than the nuances of ad creation and placement. One of the standout features of Performance Max is its unparalleled reach across Google's extensive network. With a single campaign, your ads can appear across search, display, YouTube, Discover, Gmail, and even Maps, placing your brand in front of users as they move through various Google properties. This broad reach ensures that wherever your audience may be, whether browsing the web, watching videos, checking their email, or looking up directions, your brand is right there, engaging with them at multiple touchpoints. Just imagine the potential of showing up on a Google search results page when someone looks up a relevant keyword, then appearing again as they scroll through YouTube, and yet again when they open Gmail. Performance Max makes this possible by dynamically distributing your ads across all these placements, guided by AI to deliver each ad at the optimal time and place. Instead of managing separate campaigns for each platform, Performance Max consolidates everything into one streamlined campaign, adapting in real time to ensure maximum visibility and relevance. This interconnected approach transforms how ads can work together to nurture prospects. Google's AI adjusts placements and asset combinations based on user behavior, which means that your brand is not only everywhere, but is also perfectly aligned with your target audience's intent, their location, and engagement patterns. The result? A unified campaign that adapts instantly, giving you the power of multiple campaigns rolled into one, capable of building brand awareness, encouraging consideration, and driving conversions, all without needing to manage individual placements or ads. Another powerful aspect of Performance Max is its ability to construct a complete, full funnel experience. Traditional campaigns require careful planning to create separate segments for each stage of the funnel, crafting specific content for awareness, consideration, and conversion phases, then targeting each phase with its own set of keywords or placements. Performance Max removes this complexity by using Google's advanced algorithms to analyze user signals and determine intent, delivering the right message automatically at every stage. Google's AI goes beyond static segmentation, continuously analyzing signals like search patterns, browsing history, and video engagement to understand where users are on their buyer journey. This insight allows Performance Max to dynamically adjust ad placements, formats, and messages based on real-time behavior, making it possible for users to encounter your brand as their needs evolve, from initial awareness to active engagement, and finally to conversion. For example, a user who first encounters your brand through a display ad on a news website might see a video ad on YouTube later, reinforcing brand recognition. When they return to Google to search for a product, they might encounter a search ad from your campaign, prompting them to explore your site further. With Performance Max, each of these touch points is part of a seamless journey where Google's AI guides users naturally from one stage to the next, positioning your brand as the answer to their needs at each moment. Performance Max not only keeps your brand top of mind, but also drives users close to conversion with each interaction, managing the entire process with a single campaign. By doing so, it removes the need for manual audience segmentation and targeted content creation, giving advertisers a truly automated full funnel solution that's responsive to every user's unique journey. Layering Performance Max into your strategy will definitely take your Google Ads campaigns to the next level. The benefits are endless, but here are my top 4. The first is the effortless setup. Provide Google with your creative assets and let AI do the rest. There's no need for separate campaigns or manual targeting adjustments. There's also no other campaign type with a wide reach across Google's networks. Tap into Google's extensive placements to reach your audience on search, display, YouTube, and beyond. And with these vast placements, you'd think it takes a lot of management time. But nope, with the real-time optimization, Google's AI constantly evaluates performance, making adjustments to improve results and drive conversions on your behalf. And the most important benefit to me is the complete funnel coverage. From awareness to action, Performance Max ensures your ads show up at the critical moments across each stage of the customer journey. For advertisers, Performance Max is more than just a campaign type. It's a game changer. By leveraging the power of AI and Google's expansive reach, it allows brands to be visible everywhere and anywhere their customers are, without the manual setup that traditional campaigns require. It's the ultimate leverage tactic for advertisers who want a high-performing, hands-free, full-funnel strategy. Performance Max empowers you to spend less time managing campaigns and more time focusing on your overall business goals.